Allow me to please explain one more time. Hurricane waters, flood waters, are full of poop and bacteria. I know it looks like so much fun to go jet skiing up Main Street and then frolic in a big old pond that's in your front yard now. I know it'll make a great video for Instagram. I know. But you know what? Watch this video. Look at this video of this guy right here. Look at this. I know it made a great funny video online, but that's poop water. Please stay out of floodwaters, okay? Here's my PSA from Daddy Jesse.